In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish your website on Wix. Maybe you're making big changes, taking a break from a project, or you simply don't want your site visible for now. Unpublishing is the safest way to take your site offline without deleting anything. Your content stays in your account, your settings remain intact, and you can bring the site back whenever you're ready. Start on your Wix dashboard with the site you want to take offline open. Look for the settings option. It's usually in the main navigation and it opens the control center for your site. From there, choose website settings. This is where you'll find your site's core details, including the current publishing status. Think of this page as the place that controls whether your site is live or hidden from the public. On the website settings page, find the publishing status area and select Unpublish. You're not removing pages or disconnecting your domain. You're simply switching the live site off so visitors can't access it. Your editor, content, images, and design are all preserved. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you want to unpublish your website. This is Wix's way of making sure you understand the change. Unpublishing means your site will stop being accessible at its URL. Your search results may still show old links for a while due to caching, but those links won't load your live pages while the site is unpublished. Any premium plan, domain connection, inbox, or analytics setup isn't canceled by this action. Those remain attached to your site in the background. To complete the process, click Unpublish on the confirmation. You should see the status update to Unpublished. If you visit your site's address right away, you may need to refresh, try a private browser window, or wait a couple of minutes for the change to propagate. That's normal, especially if you use a custom domain. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Unpublishing is reversible, so you can republish later from your editor or the same settings area when you're ready to go live again. While unpublished, visitors won't be able to view pages, submit forms, book appointments, or check out in your store. Collaborators can still work in the editor as usual, and your content remains safely stored in your account. And that's it. You've successfully taken your Wix site offline without losing any of your work, giving you the space and privacy to make updates on your own timeline.